It was the week before Christmas, the busiest time of the year, and every elf was building as go time was near. All through the workshop they made trucks and trains, dollies and games, making a toy for each of the names. When all of the sudden a shout rang out, all the elves stopped to see what it was about. Head Elf Wendy to Santa did report, "There is a big problem. We are one sled short." You see, she had been checking the list twice and discovered little Timmy had not been naughty but nice. He was caught doing good and has changed his ways. So on the naughty list, he certainly could not stay. The only thing requested on the letter Santa read was for a bright, shiny new sled. His only sled maker, Elf Curtis, was out. Something to do with an accident involving a reindeer, a snowman, and too much good cheer. But that's another story. Santa would have to figure something out. Santa thought and pondered and Googled and read. Then he found the way to make a great sled. He found this guy Gatton, who was quite like himself, white-haired and cheerful, even though he had no elf. Santa watched the videos and ordered the kit. Then he cleared a space where this new tool would sit. Building this sled would be such a cinch. Timmy wouldn't be calling Santa the Grinch. Following the plans Dave had sent, together with ease the building went. Santa fired it up, and with a few clicks, the G-code was sent. Wow, that's slick. The machine was running, bringing joy to his ears. Before no time at all, a new sled did appear. Santa assembled the sled as children were headed to bed, just in time for his flight that Christmas Eve night. Santa gave a ho, ho, ho as he loaded his sleigh. "Thanks, Dave Gatton, you saved the day."